Let's be honest, most of us spend more time scrolling than strolling. From sunrise to bedtime, our screens keep us plugged in. But are we truly connected or just distracted? Today, we're talking about shifting from screen time to green time and why your mind, body, and soul desperately need it. 1. The digital overload. Did you know the average adult spends over 7 hours a day staring at screens? That's nearly a third of our lives looking at pixels instead of people, posts instead of sunsets. Excessive screen time contributes to eye strain and fatigue, poor sleep patterns, increased anxiety, and burnout. We're constantly connected, yet feeling more disconnected than ever from nature, from others, and even from ourselves. 2. The power of green time. Now, here's the good news. The antidote is simple, free, and right outside your door. It's called green time moments spent outdoors, surrounded by nature. Studies show that just 20 minutes in nature can lower stress and blood pressure, improve focus and creativity, boost mood and overall well-being. And it doesn't have to mean hiking mountains. It can be as simple as watering your plants, walking in the park, or sipping your morning coffee under a tree. 3. Simple shifts you can make. Here's how to start your green time reset. 1. Set screen-free hours like your first hour after waking up. 2. Replace one scrolling break with a short outdoor walk. 3. Start a small garden or balcony plant corner. Plan a weekly digital detox day, no screens, just real life. Remember, nature doesn't need Wi-Fi to connect you. So let's recap. Too much screen time drains your mind. Green time restores your peace. It's not about giving up technology, it's about balancing it with nature's rhythm. Here's your challenge today. Trade 30 minutes of scrolling for 30 minutes outside. Then come back and tell me how you felt in the comments below. If this inspired you to reconnect with nature, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little green time in their life. Because sometimes the best way to recharge is to unplug.